Dr. Greta are brought to you by the Ashley Clinic in Chanute, Kansas. Spick and span if you can. Does that refer to your child's bedroom or to his brain? Well, we wanted to look at the brain in relationship to what you're doing this summer and what your child is learning and having a healthy environment. Yep, we have found that if we can sleep well and sleep in a routine, it helps our brain to actually be spick and span. Yes, there are some vessels in the brain that have that cerebral spinal fluid, and it gathers up all of the leftover waste that come when your brain's doing all that good thinking in the daytime. But if you don't get enough sleep, then your cerebral spinal fluid can't clean well, and so then you're more likely to have illness and other issues later on. Well, in addition, sleep can help you with your thinking process. There was an interesting article out of the University of Michigan. They were looking at rats, and they actually were able to track their neuron, their brain cell development, and how they fired after they had been experiencing something in the daytime, like how to run through a maze. Then the next day, they saw that some of these brain cells were firing in just a little different way, and then the rats were able to do better in the maze. So it seems that our brain can learn if we can give it the right tools. So when we are thinking about summertime, it's good to think about your child's sleep patterns. Are they going to sleep at a regular good time and getting up at a good time, or have they gotten kind of a skewed schedule? Well, if their schedule's too much skewed, it can mess up everything else. So keep track of that so that you can be sure that they're getting good sleep. One last article was out of JAMA Psychiatry looking at children who didn't have a lot of sleep over a long period of time, and many of them developed a psychosis problem as an adult. Didn't know if the two were related or not, but if you have a child that's having any sleep issues, talk with your doctor. Keep things spick and span and give that kid a hug.